My name is Jody, and today we are going to learn how to write the chemical equation for neutralizing a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids undergo neutralization reactions with bases and produce water and a carboxylic acid salt, also known as a carboxylate ion. Let's work with an example to better understand this topic. First, let's begin with looking at our reactants. First, we have acetic acid, which is a weak acid. That is our carboxylic acid. And then we have our sodium hydroxide that is reacting with that. Now that I've introduced our reactants, let's write this out in the form of a chemical equation. Here I'm just starting with a skeleton of our chemical reactant. Got our carbons, our carboxylic group. I've got the hydrogens making the octet rule work, and we have our sodium hydroxide with a positive and negative charge. And here I'm also writing the products that we will get from said reactants. So you can notice the difference here. I'll get into that a little bit more. Let's label what we've got so far. So here, that is our carboxylic acid. You could see the OH group on the carboxylic. We've got our base, which is our sodium hydroxide. And in our products, we have our carboxylic acid salt or carboxylate ion and water. Now that we've labeled and looked at all of the reactants in this equation, let's look at how we got the products. First, we lose the hydrogen atom to the hydroxide group, making water, and then the positive sodium attaches to the carboxylate ion so that we have the carboxylate ion, which has a negative charge, with the sodium that has a positive charge. Here I'm just showing the products in their entirety and labeling them. And so here we see that that's the sodium acetate, the carboxylate ion on the left side, and on the right side we see that we have the water. So these are our products from this neutralization reaction. Now, what is the point of neutralizing a carboxylic acid? Here's a real-life example: cheese. The salts produced from this chemical reaction are used as preservatives in our food. They prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi so that we don't get sick. This concludes this video. You should now be able to successfully write the chemical equation for neutralizing a carboxylic acid.